Welcome to Your Flow S wireless mouse, designed for seamless productivity, precision control, and multi-device convenience. In this video, we'll guide you through everything you need to get started, from what's inside the box and connecting to devices, to using advanced features like dual scroll wheels, DPI adjustment, and power-saving modes. Let's begin by unboxing. Inside, you'll find the wireless mouse, a USB receiver for 2.4 GHz connectivity, a USB-A to Type-C cable for charging, and a user manual, warranty card, and other docs to help you get started quickly. Let's quickly go over the design and controls. You have the left and right click buttons on top, along with a vertical scroll wheel for standard use and a horizontal scroll wheel for side navigation. The DPI button lets you adjust cursor speed instantly, while the double-click button enables quick actions. Use the mode switch at the bottom to toggle between 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth devices. LED indicators show connection status, and the Type-C port makes charging fast and convenient. You will also find space to store your 2.4 GHz dongle at the bottom. Getting started is quick and easy. For 2.4 GHz wireless mode, simply plug the USB receiver into your device, and you're ready to go instantly. To connect via Bluetooth, press the mode switch button to cycle through BT1, BT2, or BT3. Pair each mode with a different device, allowing you to connect up to 3 Bluetooth devices simultaneously. Use the dedicated switch button to toggle between devices seamlessly. No need to reconnect every time. To conserve battery, the mouse automatically enters standby after 1 minute of inactivity and deep sleep after 10 minutes. Simply move the mouse or click a button to wake it instantly, ensuring maximum efficiency with minimal power usage. With seamless multi-device connectivity, precision controls, and thoughtful features, this mouse is built to enhance your everyday workflow. Switch effortlessly, work smarter, and stay in control, all with one device.